one. It's not moving. Okay, feet.
Hooray!
Look at the video. It's my thumbs up. Swallow. There, oh. Wala magsunod-sunod.
Where are we, Mav? Hi! Okay, let's go. It's there up there pa. Later we can see it, okay? Come on, let's go eat first. You hear it? You hear it? It's the sound of the peacock. Come here, we go down. Okay, be careful. Hold, mom.
Now, why do you have a money?
Because it's to bayad. Where could the peacock be? Uh-oh.
The peacock.
Up, yeah. You okay?
I'll hold the money.
Okay. Are you okay? Oh, I hear something shaking. Did you see it? I didn't see it. Oh, is that the one? It doesn't look like a peacock though.
Peacock?
Come on, let's go. Look. Look. Samal. That's the bird that's making the sound. Wow, look, Mavi, it's the city.
Daddy.
Can you see it? So nice. Okay.
Mav, look there. You smile. You put your kiss. Look in the camera. Look, smile ha. Ay, video man din yan. Nakuha niya.
Wow!
Good job.
Good job! Sabi, big boy man to. Uy, big boy.
Big boy move.
Big boy man to. Oh, you go there to the ice cream, oh. Ice cream, go. Go to the ice cream. Here. Here. You give your stub. Ano yung flavor meron? There's an avocado, there's a durian one. Do you like the durian one? Yeah, durian is... What do you say? What do you say? Do you say thank you? You say thank you first. Thank you. Louder. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go. Go, go.
We're too far away from the mountain.
Yeah, we are in the mountain. Oy, not there. That's the trash bin. Mavi, dirty, dirty. Come. Let's come here. Come on, let's go there. Hold mom's hand. Oy, avocado? Kain ka na naman ng avocado ice cream. Yawa man. Ano? Daddy will just wear socks. Oh, here. Agi here, oh.
It's dirty.
Yeah.
Hold it now.
Throw this now?
I'll hold it.
Okay, I'll hold it and eat it na lang. Who wants to play? Okay. A drone. Oh.
You go.
Let's go to the shade, Mav. Oh, other side. It's not in it. Other side ba? There, oh, kabila, kabila, Mav. Kabila. No, no, go, go, go. It's too hot. Hot, Mav, hot. Mavi, listen, it's too hot. Daddy will get angry. It's too hot. I give you 2 minutes.
Hello, Mommy.
Hi, my love. It's too high. Can you do it? It's scary. Really? Whoa! Okay, let's cross the bridge, Naka. It's too hot. Come on. Too hot there. Okay, tawid, tawid, tawid. One, two, three, four. 1, 2. Are you scared? You okay? They have like dinosaurs. You can go to the blue one. Alright, go to the horsey. Do you know how to go up? Do you need help? Do you need help? Okay. Horsey, mommy right here on the other side. Oh my god. What is it? Nobody will push you. It's like that. Good job. You want to climb? You want to climb? Oh. Good job. Good job. You can do it, Mav. Hold on the pink one. Anna. Good job. Let him do it, Daddy. Sige. Help? Need help? Okay, hold on the pink one. Anna. Good job. Okay, can you cross? Can you cross to the orange one? Okay, grab. One step at a time. Good job. Anna. Oh, good job.
Last one. It's not moving. Okay.
Hooray! Yay! Sorry. Siya. It's too high. Alam pa siya, I can do it. Can you climb there? Sige daw. Hello. Sige.
You hold tight, Mav. You hold tight. You hold.
Hold, Anna. Like that.
Hold tight, so that you're not gonna fall down. Okay? Ready?
Oh, year ka, John. Okay, push. You carry you also your feet. Anna. Wow! Good job.
Hold tight, Mav. Hold tight. Whoa.
Good job.
Go to the...
Okay.
Wait, don't. Wait. Drink water. Wait for your name to be called. Villamor. Okay? Wait for Villamor. You want to wee?
Villamor.
Villamor na to. Where?
You want to wee? You want to wee?
Let's check the map.
Last row po.
Okay.
Sa kabila na last row po.
Okay.
Sa kabila na kayo, ma'am.
Okay.
6541.
Mavi, come here. We ride the car. Thank you. Mavi, come here. Wee-wee, you want to wee-wee first? Oh, sige, go wee-wee first. There are cars. Climb up. Climb up. And then we leave a space. Daddy, other side. Tabi. Okay. Sige. Fishing village. Fishing village. Yes.
Nadi dito. Sundoan na lang.
Sundoon na. Yung mga busog pa mang dito.
Siguro po dito.
Yes.
Kuya.
Hello. What's your name though, Ma?
What's your name?
What's your name though?
What's your name?
Me. Hello.
Don't talk to stranger.
Ah, tawa.
You old time, huh? Old hands like this. Uy, sumpa.
Yeah, that's a fishing village. Yes
Ma.
po. Balik lang mi, ma'am. Reset.
Okay, on your left side is our fishing village, where you can catch tilapia, St. Peter fish, and dito lots of fish. Kami na po yung magpapabay sa fishing rods and bait nyo po. Kami na po ay assault na rin po siya. So, pwede nyo siyang ipaluto, pwede nyo rin po siyang iuwi sa bahay.
Look, deer.
That's okay lang din. Yes. And on your left side,
It's a deer.
our deer bed. That is our extension of our deer park, which we will see shortly. And maybe later.
So you also have a trail doon? Wala.
Yes, meron kaming trail po. And on your right side is our garden hall. It can accommodate up to 300 people. So good for conventions, weddings, and any other function. And to your left side is our deer park.
It's a deer park.
Yes, deer sa Ingles, pusa in Tagalog, and it's binaw in Bisaya. May nakita na ba kayo?
Yes.
Binaw po. Binaw. Yes.
Sabi na ako, kanti.
Sabi na mo kante. Dili sir, dinosaur. Yung mga sungay po yung lalaki, at yung walang sungay po yung mga babae. Agree, boys?
Stand up.
So here that we already started with one pair, and now we have more than 30 Philippines pairs. So we are obligating them, yes, because they are not considered as an endangered species. Yes.
Oh.
Yes, the same as their tour guide endangered them.
There's no dinosaur. It was just a prank.
Okay, on your right side is our hydroponics greenhouses. So hydro means water, phonics means bird. So it means hindi kami gumagamit dito ng Okay, welcome back everyone. We are now going to resume our tour. So, inhale, exhale muna. Beautiful garden. So, by the way, this place is our garden of child used for garden wedding. For prenup Victoria's, may 18th birthday photo shoot, pwede rin dito. So, if you want to avail it, you can put the restriction in the front office or call our sales and reservation office. That side is
Parang
another
CR ka di.
Baba pa lang pala siya.
Dala, di yung talim mo.
Kinakat namin.
Oh.
Para yes. Para mabilis to harvest. And we are now passing through our rainbow path for each arcus flowers that correspond to a particular rainbow.
stay here. You can stay here.
Ang bilis naman maglakad nito nila.
Balay. Balay sa una. Bapo po ganyan eh.
Gani.
No, don't touch na.
Don't touch.
No touching, no touching ah.
Our sister resort, Ana Marina, and the Island Bernice Stock Exchange. This resort are available at the front and the
I know.
right side is our organic resources. We have our deals, cilantro, cinnamon basil, rosemary, and so on and so forth. Yes. So far, the
Okay, go down. Oh, there kay ano.
You wear your color, ha?
It's a carabao. Let's go look at the view, Mav. You want to see the city? You want to see the view? Come here, let's go see the view. I know. That's the view right there. It's so pretty. Wow.
Post lang sa init. Parang nalulula ako. Mainit ka? Medyo okay lang.
Two buildings dyan na nagtapad, Bibo.
Not sure.
What are those buildings? Oh, marag maihap lang nimong building ba?
Oh.
Andun yung downtown na side, oh.
You need sungay.
Okay, now we're gonna check out the other activity.
We're gonna check out the fishing. And then the horse.
Naman sa kabilang horse.
Yeah, yeah. We just see.
Horse na lang, wala naman tayo makita sa fishing.
Okay. No, let's just show him.
Brilliant friends and
Yes. Thank you, Mom. Thank you po. Salamat kaayo. So happy. Yeah, we're gonna transfer to the... We check out the fishing sa Daddy. Let's go check the fishing. Salamat po. We had fun. This was such a fun day, Dad. Thank you.
Malugi tayo kay dita ka dako.
Mom, hold Mom, okay, there are cars here. Oh, you see there are cars here.
Moving na to dalon. Moving. Doing this for this guy.
Careful. You have your mom. I'm holding you.
I'm going that way.
Okay.
Go down.
Look, let's look at them. Oh, tanawa, nag-fishing sila, oh. Oh, come here. Let's watch them. Oh, look at the ate fishing. And then there's a of puya.
Wow.
Ate, got the fish. There. You saw it? That's so fast. Look. Ate caught the fish. Not yet. Ay, ito yung bounce na po.
Loh, terus gibira, gibira.
Yan na.
Nakuha dito isla guys.
Oh, mga tilapia.
I wanna go fishing.
Mana nilang nakuha?
Oh, manila nakuha. Dagan kasi lang nakuha. Oh, ay wala pa di ay. It's moving out to the fish is Oh my god, how do sa bata oy. Grabe. Again. Oh, wow. Grabe kagaling. Wow. Another fish. That's her second fish na. It went away na. Come here. It's going home. Yeah. Let's go.
Behind. There's a dog.
Remember ko na ay...
I saw one dog.
ito dito. Ito may parking. Ayun. Oh, may halo-halo pa nga. Let's go.
We can eat halo-halo though. Hello.
Gika kami dito.
Ay, teka na. Where's the horsey? There's not a horsey. It's a real horse.
Hala, someone's
Ah, it's biking.
biking. Oh, look at on top mo.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Is Mavi gonna ride that?
But I'm afraid.
I'm afraid too. I can't.
They can't.
Okay.
Where's the real?
No. What are those? What are those?
Doors.
Wow, so cool. Real ponies? Where's our horse? I think I hear an airplane.
It's not airplane, it's Mavi's hand.
No, kanang ano.
Don't touch the grills. It's just a toy.
Look, ah.
No, bro, they zip line, no? Zip line, no. You want zip line, Mom?
Buang.
Mom, are you afraid of jet line?
Yeah, I don't wanna. But Mavi can do it, but when Mavi is bigger. Ah, mo din yung Indiana Jones.
Yeah. Gibalin din.
Remove din nila diri. I want to. Ah, pero bawal man ata adults na. Combo sky wheel size horseback riding. I'll go to Mavi. Come here, Nak. Mav, walk only, walk only. Nak, walk only. Walk only. Here lang, here lang. Mavi, wait for Mom. Whoa. Okay, here lang ta. Enough na. You want a bike up there? That's bike for big people. The horse?
Lagi takot dito, no?
Oh. Mavi's not scared. Mavi is a brave boy, baya. Good job. Good job. Go. Yeah, sige, go. Hold. Bye-bye. Ay, meron pa pala. Thumbs up. Thank you. Okay, go. Bye-bye, anak. This was my favorite ride when I was a bata pa. Did you know that?
But can't see Daddy.
Daddy is there in the forest.
How can Daddy be in the forest? There's only one left there.
Mm-hmm.
Two of them. This one's for the mom.
Is it fun? The bata is shouting. If you ride that one, you really have to hold on tight.
Okay. When it moves, it goes so fast.
Yeah. You won't get scared? Oh, look at all the bata. The bata are all having fun.
But that's mine. That's mine. But that's no more for me. There's no more for me.
Yeah, you only have to wait for your turn. What's that? How do you call? Call daddy, call daddy. Asha. Ano daw? Daddy's back with the horse. No more na, oy. You say bye-bye to the horse. You say thank you, horse.
Bye, horsey.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. Sit down, sit
Did you have fun?
Dito daw yung gusto.
Nay horse dira amo agi.
Oh, the horse will go. Bawal pa pala siya. Pwede mo na sa set. Ayaw na din.
Ah, shit, sakit to eh. You see, he can do it. Do not pull, Dad. Okay, pull. Come on, let's go. Oh, shit.